guys, if you haven't done this ride, it is absolutely sensational. Rightio, Monday morning, leaving Hobart today, heading to Bicheno, and then up through St Helens, up to Launceston. The weather today is absolutely perfect so far, blue skies, not a cloud in the sky, fantastic. Crisp morning, let's go. Have a look at this. So we just spent the last half an hour behind a minibus. So if anybody's watching this that doesn't ride motorcycles and drives a car, if you ever see like a whole bunch of bikes behind you and you want to do something nice, just pull over slightly to the left, not miles, just slightly, and let us pass, rather than us sit behind you at 40 kilometers an hour for half an hour. That will make us all really happy. It'll make the day go better. It'll put less pressure on you because we're not on your bum. Just saying. Just one little thing. Righto, mate, there's a little place called Orford. What a stunning location this is. Check this out. Look at this. So just having a quick stop here, but that road through then where we ran along the river, that was absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god. And like a perfect day, perfect roads. Doesn't get much better than this, guys. How epic did that look? Rightio, that's Orford. What a beautiful spot that is. Now 118 k's to Bicheno. Gonna stop there, have a bite to eat. But how beautiful is Orford? Wow.
Even though I try, the crowd across the room smiled and said goodbye. too loud. I just wanna see you naked. I just wanna get you home into bed. I just wanna touch and taste you. I just wanna make you sweat. Well, I'm hoping flowers ain't on your mind, 'cause flowers ain't my thing. I'm not the...
Guys, if you haven't done this ride, it is absolutely sensational. Look at this just over my right shoulder. Have a look at this.
I'd rather it was me who turned and said goodbye. I just wanna see you naked.
Just beautiful. Absolutely stunning. That's really on par with some parts of New Zealand. Incredible. Look at this coming up here. Elaine just said the same thing. It's like a mini New Zealand, but it's in our own backyard. And that they're easily on par with parts of New Zealand. Easily. Look at that. That's just, oh my God. Just coming through a town called Swansea. What a place to live. Wait till you see this view when we come up over this crest here. Beautiful little town. Tasmania is it's such a compact state. You go from like literally 15 minutes ago we're right on the coast, and then we come inland a little bit and it's like, you know, twisty roads and bush, creeks, all that sort of stuff. It's such an interesting place to tour because you never get bored. It goes from one thing to another relatively quickly. Now we're back in the twisties and having fun again. Awesome. Made it to Bicheno. We're going to have a quick stop here, I think, and then we've got 88 k's to St Helens. Does it get much better than this? Seriously? Huh?
It can get much better than this.
How's that?
Well, you could be sitting here eating a pie. Then it would be fantastic.
Oh man. Just got some awesome footage of the bay in Bicheno. How pretty is that? Like, what a beautiful place. Oh. And I'll tell you what, when the sky's like this blue, the sea doesn't get any bluer. It's just beautiful. Whenever people talk about perfect days to ride, this is it. Alright, let's go back and meet the others. They're just having a pie or whatever over there, and obviously I'm off the pies. If you've been watching my Instagram posts, I've been swimming, giving up all carbs, just eating mainly meat, eggs, fish, stuff like that, and been doing well so far. Alright, let's head back. Alright, thoughts on Bicheno?
Oh, it's stunning, isn't it?
Look through there. It's just beautiful.
You're looking at me.
I know, I'm talking way too. I'm married a fucking mute.
I thought you were filming the ocean and I'm thinking, oh. Then I looked at the camera and you're pointing it to me.
Okay, we're leaving Bicheno on our way to Orford. Originally going to go to St Helens. We're going to do that tomorrow instead. We're going to head to St Mary's, have some lunch there. This place is stunning. Imagine living there.
She likes her hair falling down her back, a cheeky smile when she answers back. It's not the same when they're both apart. He lays his head down to her beating heart, and they both know.
So we're going up over Elephant's Pass, which will lead us into St Mary's. Very twisty, 25k corners. Cool riding, but really good. And there's views over there which I can't show you because it's too twisty, but you can see out over the ocean. Crazy.
That's special. He works at the big house, doing his time. Unlike the others, he won't be left behind. Doing the night shift, don't seem to mind. When it's time to see her, it's when he starts to shine. And they both know when they end up all alone. No TV, no telephone. They lie together, hope it lasts forever. And they both start making love. They both start making love. They both start making that it's special.
Made it to St Mary's. That Elephant Path, that's a fun road. Really, a couple of 15k bends there. But fun, really good fun. Very pretty through there again. Apparently you didn't like that, mate.
No, she did. I was only taking it easy too.
It was beautiful, but I just said, don't kill me and stop going so fast.
That's not what I heard.
She left their brown patch on the seat.
Did you just get a message?
I've never seen more panic in my life. Elaine thought the can lunches were finished.
No, they finish. Normally, can lunches finish at 2.
What are they called?
Can lunch. What do you call it?
Let's go and get a can lunch.
Well, that's what they're called.
So Philby's got a problem with his dash, have you?
See this thing?
Yeah.
If you don't let that finish, it won't boot up at all.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So how long does it take to boot up?
Watch.
Oh, it's still going?
It's still going. There we go.
Okay.
So then, if we push this button here.
Yep.
So hang on, get rid of the side stand. Yeah, now we got the menu.
Okay. Connect headset to use Apple CarPlay. Okay.
Yep, so it's working.
Okay. So it wasn't working before?
No, because if you don't let it boot up, the full sequence, and you're in a hurry to go, it just stops.
Okay.
Yep.
There you go, folks.
CVO magic.
That's why I like. That's why I like analog. All right, had a bit of lunch at this little cafe just behind me over here. I don't know if you can see that. Had another steak sandwich, no bread. Very nice. In St Mary's. Very nice. Off to Launceston.
Looking at her, lying there sleeping, wondering what she sees in me. She keeps saying I've got so much to offer. What she gives to me, what I do for her. She says reach, reach for the sky. I only wanna see you fly. I'm looking at her as she sits there smoking. She says she's giving them
Birth? I think we took a wrong turn at Albuquerque. Just coming into Launceston. Righto, at the Penny Royal Leisure something, I don't know, it looks pretty cool. Very old worldy type of hotel. What do you reckon?
I reckon it's great. It's for the price too.
Yeah.
Got a good price.
Bloody yeah. Looks like an old English cottage or something. Everything you need. Toilet. All good. So all the rooms have got names on them where we're staying, and Adam, who's by himself, he's got the swallow room. Have fun.
Thank you, I will.
I want to see him throw his legs back over his head.
Party trick, wait till later.
Well, that was one of the best days we've had riding, I reckon, huh?
Yeah, it's fantastic.
That was absolutely awesome. It's a bit dark here. Let's go over that way a little bit. Maybe the light.
It's romantic though. It's meant to be romantic.
Yeah.
Something you don't know anything
Oh,
about.
yeah, right. Great roads, great weather,
Great company.
great company. The views were spectacular. What more could you want? If you haven't been across the Tassie, make sure you get across here. It is fantastic.
Yeah.
If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. We'll catch you tomorrow on the Harley Roadshow.
See ya.